Hey guys, welcome to the 57th C# tutorial that I'm making for the new Boston. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the directory class a little bit more. So all you're going to need for this tutorial is a button. Once you have that on your form, just double click on it. So just like in the last tutorial, you're just going to need a folder browser dialog, an if statement checking to see if the user actually selects a directory, and you need to be using system.io. So once you have all that, just type out directory to access the directory class, and then you're going to want to use the dot operator to access all of the methods inside of the directory class. So the first one that I'm going to show you is the get creation time method, and what this will do is it will just it says right there, it gets the creation date and time of a directory. So if you wanted to know when a certain directory was created, you can use this method to get that. And it just says the path to the directory, so we need to pass in a parameter for the path to the directory that we want to get the creation time of. And we're going to have it be the folder browser dialog selected path, or whatever the user selects in the folder browser dialog. And we're going to want to display this in a message box. We're going to do message box show, and we'll just show this in the message box. And right here it says it returns a date time variable, and there's a variable called date time. And we haven't really looked at that at all, but we're going to look at that in later tutorials. So for all you're going to really need to know for right now is just use the .toString method to convert it into a string so we can view the date and time. So now when we click this button, we should get a folder browser dialog. Yep, I'm just going to navigate to my test folder right here. Click OK. We should get a message box showing the date and time that it was created. Yep, and I created it last night for, I don't know, one of the tutorials. Alright, and the next few I'm going to show you are also times, so we can just replace the creation time with another one that returns the date time. And we're just going to do last access time, and this will just return the last time that directory was accessed. Test folder. Yep, last time it was accessed. And the last thing I'm going to show you is the last write time. And this will just get the last time that the folder was written, or the last time something inside of the folder was changed. So now we're just going to go ahead and browse to our test folder right here. Yep. And this will work for any of the directories. For example, we could do like my desktop or something. And yeah, that was not too long ago. Alright, so the final thing I'm going to show you in the directory class is the getParent method. And what this will do is it just says return the parent directory of the specified path. So basically what that means is, since that test folder is on my desktop, we should get the path to my desktop. So we're just going to do the path to the folder that we select. Just going to select the path. And once again, we're just going to display this in a message box so we can actually see what the directory is. .toString. Alright. So since we're going to select my test folder, and it is on my desktop, as you can see right here, we should just get the path to my desktop. Yep. And if we were to select something inside of this test folder, like this directory, we should get test folder. Yep. If we were to select, I don't know, my desktop, yep, it's inside the Atom folder. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial, so see you guys.